Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Oral thrush, or oral pharyngeal candidiasis, is a type of yeast infection that comes inside your mouth and on your tongue. A small amount of the Candida albicans fungus is usually found in the mouth. Oral thrush comes when your immune system can't keep its natural guard against this fungus, and it grows out of control. The infection causes little creamy white bumps, usually on the tongue or inner cheeks. If they're not taken care of right away, they can spread to the roof of your mouth, gums, tonsils, or the back of your throat. Other signs include redness, soreness, a cottony feeling, a hard time swallowing, and loss of taste. If you keep getting oral thrush, it can be a sign of something lacking in your immune system. Therefore, the first step you need to take is to build your immune system through a healthy diet. Also, take care of your mouth properly and make sure it stays clean. Exercise all the time and get proper sleep and rest. There are also some simple home cures to control the infection and lessen the signs. Here are the top 10 home treatments for oral thrush. 1. Salt. Salt is the best way to treat oral thrush because it makes the mouth unfit for the fungus to live in. Also, salt helps lessen signs quickly. Mix 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. Use it to gargle, then spit it out. Do this a few times every day until you are happy with the results. 2. Yogurt. Probiotic yogurt can help treat thrush because it has live or active cultures of the lactobacilli kind. It also helps your digestion. Use only plain, unsweetened yogurt to treat thrush. Eat 2 to 3 cups of yogurt a day for a few weeks. 3. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a good cure for fighting oral infections. It helps get rid of the yeast and ease the discomfort that comes with thrush. Using a cotton swab, put extra virgin coconut oil on the inner mouth area and tongue. Do this a few times a day for a week. 4. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has enzymes that can control Candida infection. It also builds up the body's acid level so it can fight the yeast that's growing and causing infection. It also boosts the immune system and gives you a strong guard against Candida. A study done in 2014 showed that apple cider vinegar had antifungal properties against Candida species. Mix 2 teaspoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. Use this mixture to rinse your mouth a few times a day until you see that it helped. 5. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is another thing that can be used to treat oral thrush. It has antifungal properties that can control the growth of yeast and help it heal quickly. Researchers found that tea tree oil and its parts had a great effect on Candida albicans. Add 4 or 5 drops of tea tree oil to 1 cup of warm water. Gargle this mixture for a few minutes. Use this twice a day until the infection gets better. Note: remember not to drink tea tree oil because it can cause side effects. 6. Baking soda. Baking soda is a good, cheap cure for oral thrush. It can kill the yeast that causes the infection. It also helps keep a balanced acid level in the mouth by killing acids. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda with enough water to make a paste. Use a cotton ball to put this paste on the tongue and inner cheek area. Wait a few minutes, then wash your mouth with warm water. Do this 2 or 3 times a day for a few days. 7. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is another good home remedy to fight this oral yeast infection. It kills parasites and fungi to control the growth of Candida albicans. Drink 1 to 2 cups of cinnamon tea every day. 8. Garlic. Garlic kills fungi, so it helps kill yeast in your mouth and boosts your immune system. Chew 2 or 3 raw garlic cloves all the time to fight the infection. 9. Oregano oil. Oregano oil stops the yeast that causes oral thrush from growing. A study done in 2001 showed that because oregano oil kills fungi, it is good for fighting Candida albicans. This oil also boosts the immune system. Mix 2 or 3 drops of oregano oil in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Put it on your tongue and inside your mouth. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then wash it out with warm water. Do this 2 times a day until you see that it helped. 10. Olive leaf. Olive leaf helps kill the germs that cause oral thrush because it works powerfully to kill fungi. Also, it has an active ingredient called ALOPECIA, which boosts your immune system. Drink a few cups of olive leaf tea every day. Make sure to keep your mouth clean and healthy. Brush your teeth 2 times a day, floss once a day, and never share your toothbrush. Don't eat too many sugary foods to block yeast from growing. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.
Wow.